Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how can you make a simplest web application with streamlit. We are going to make a color picker application actually. So you can see, you can select the color value from here. This is the hex value, and you can also get the RGB value from here. You can see, suppose I want this color and refresh it, you can see the code has been changed. So for this, what will you need to do? This is all the code. I will provide this in the description. So if you don't know how to run Streamlit on Google Colab, you can watch out the first tutorial. Okay, and this code will work in any other notebook or IDE, doesn't matter. So first of all, what will you need to do? We have to import streamlit as st. Then we have created a header. I am talking about this header actually. Welcome to our color picker web app. And we have given a divider. You can see the divider here. You can change the color green, and if you reload it, the divider will be green. Okay, then we have created a variable name color. Then we have called the st.colorPicker, and in the color picker we have given it a label that is pick a color, and we have to pass a default value. If you remove this default value, you will get an error. So you have to pass any default value here. Okay guys, so for now we are not removing that, and after that we have written st.return the current color is, we have passed the value of this variable. Okay, you can remove this color is, you will see the changes. If I run it, color is something, the default value. Let me change it. Let me take sky blue. Then you can see the color is something. Okay, you can also get the RGB value from here. So this is the simplest color picker web application using Streamlit. If you want to learn more about Streamlit, watch out the full playlist will be in the description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you guys.